The generic SVGA driver for Windows 3.1 can be a great thing. It works with a lot of video processors. Unfortunately, I think I found one that doesn't. Come over here, you'll see my Corel 386, and indeed, this does not work. And I believe the reason why this doesn't work is because this is based on, if I could actually read that chip, it's a WD90C00-JK, and I believe that's an accelerated video chip. So that is not going to work because that driver is supposedly for non-accelerated cards. Is that going to stop me? No, of course not, because none of the Western Digital drivers seem to work either. So we're going to see if we can force, thanks to UXW Bell for reminding me of this option, we're going to see if we can force the SVGA driver to work on the system. If it works, you'll get to see this video and it will show you how to do this. If it doesn't work, well, then I guess you won't be seeing this video. Okay, so here is the symptom. We're going to go ahead and we'll power this on. Just as is. We'll install the driver, again, as is. No modifications. First I'll let it boot. Go into Windows. I have no mouse hooked up, so this might be a little interesting to try and do. No speakers either, so you won't hear the sounds. This is how Windows 3.1 runs on authentic hardware. We'll open up Windows Setup. We'll select Alt-O for options, change settings, and I believe I go out, and here we go, Super VGA. Let's try the 640 by 480 with 256 colors first. We'll use the current driver. Of course, I've already tried to install this. We'll hit Restart Windows, and this is the result. It's a vanilla driver, completely unmodified. Watch it work now. Yeah. Error has occurred while trying to initialize the video adapter. So again, courtesy of UXW Bell, make sure that this is where it's stored, system.ini. I believe it was in system.ini. What we're going to look for is a line called latch capable. Okay, so I figured out what I think I'm supposed to be modifying. The line of thing wasn't there. That line wasn't there. I'm going to add it and just see what happens. After removing a bunch of the junk from it, because it had a bunch of junk in it. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah. There are other problems here, I think, with this. So, well, let's try the opposite. But I think the issue here is that I'm trying to use a non-accelerated driver with an accelerated video card. At least I now know what the model is, so I can go ahead and get that working. If this doesn't work, which it looks like it did not. So I'm going to go see if I can find the driver. I'm wondering if my issue stems from trying to use the 90C30 driver instead of the 90C00 driver, which is what I have. So insert A, which it will hopefully read. VGA 1024 by 768. We can do 16 color. I want 256. We're going to go for that. And we're going to make that a new driver. See if that works. And we'll just say yes. Because like I said, I was trying to install a couple different things that didn't work. So we'll just overwrite a bunch of stuff. Okay, I got my doubts this is going to work. Let's get our floppy out of that drive. Should crash almost immediately. Watch this. Focus. Well, maybe not immediately, but it will crash, see? Yeah, not supposed to look like that. So I don't know what the problem is, but there is a problem somewhere. Now, unfortunately, it seems that no matter what I did, it didn't seem to work. I don't know if maybe it's because I've tried installing the driver so many times that it's screwed up or what. But if somebody has the proper Western Digital 90C00 driver with the win.cnf file, which is the only file that is missing from that disk, that is the file I need. You don't seem to be able to find that on the internet. So if you've got the disk, if you've got the file, let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off, and I'll see you next time. Till then.